how to add another WhatsApp account on the same phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can add another WhatsApp account on same phone. Well, after the latest update, you can easily use two different accounts on a single WhatsApp on your device. How you can do so? Well, let me guide you through. In order to do so, you'll have to add another account. To do so, first you want to open up WhatsApp. Then you want to tap on the three dots option at the top right corner of your screen and then tap on settings. Under settings, you want to head into the option that says account, and here you'll get the option that says add account. You want to tap on it and then tap on add account. Once you do so, it'll take you to a regular login page like display here, so let it load up. Then you want to tap on agree and continue and enter in your account details like you normally would log in on your account. So right there, once you log in, you'll be able to switch in between your account. Now it's taking some time to load up. So you can see you'll get an interface somewhat like this. Here now you want to tap on agree and continue and go ahead. Now I'll just head back here since I don't want to log in, but you want to enter in your phone number, your country code, and you're good to go. But once you do so, what you can do is what here at the home page, in order to switch in between your account, you can tap on the three dots option at the top right corner of your screen, and below the settings option at the very bottom, you'll get the option that says switch account, and you can use that option to switch in between your accounts. So this is the way that you can easily add another account on WhatsApp on same phone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.